Are you looking for a quick recap on data structure tree? Or are you yet to start and are looking for some place to start? Or maybe you are preparing for that big coding interview. This series can help. This series covers tree data structure from scratch and is designed to be interview prep oriented as well as for general gain of confidence and command over the data structure. We will not just talk on paper, but we will actually develop the concepts, make them work, and test them on our editor. We will learn about the need for traversals, the traversal techniques, namely breadth first search and depth first search, and develop a sense of when to use which one. We will also look into and explore a special type of tree known as the binary search tree. We'll practice problems which help us understand and develop a strong command over the data structure tree and are often termed as must-do interview preparation questions. Whether you are looking to ace the programming interview or simply become a better developer, this series will help. My name is Aditya. I am an undergrad at NIT Rourkela, placed at Microsoft, and this course is directly rooted in my experience. Subscribe today and allow me to be a part of your unique journey.